Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I'm going to show you how to find your assignments and content in the Canvas classroom. The first thing you're going to do is find your class. I'm going to use 7th grade period 1 as an example. When you click into the class, you're going to see 3 buttons. Each paint splatter is a button: Schedule, Assignments, and JMC. Click on the Schedule button, and that's going to bring you to a list of weeks. Select the week that corresponds with the dates that you're in. Then I want you to look at the schedule. You're going to see it's divided into 3 sections. Red is A day, green is B day, and blue is virtual. You're going to see that the days of the week are listed there. Under each day is going to list in bullets your tasks. There's going to be assignments listed there and content that you need to look at in order to complete the assignments. So as an example, I'm going to click on the daily drawing under Thursday. And it's going to bring you to the daily drawing prompt. You can see here the prompt is listed, and there's a 5-minute timer there to help you complete your prompt. After you've completed the daily drawing, you can go back to your schedule by simply clicking the back button, and it will take you back to the list of tasks and assignments. Now I can select the other assignment, Sketchbook cover, and it will bring you to the Sketchbook cover page where you'll see an example, directions, and video instructions that will help you complete the assignment. I'll click the back button to go back to the schedule to move on to my next task. I can click on the Sketchbook assignment by clicking the link, and it'll bring you to the Sketchbook assignment like the previous links. Up here you can click Submit Assignment to turn in the pictures of your sketchbook. Now let's say you get lost in Canvas somewhere by accidentally clicking on a button and you're not sure how to get back. All you have to do is click Home, and it's going to bring you back to the Schedule button, and from there you can work your way back to the schedule. Alright students, that is how you navigate Canvas to find your assignments and tasks for art.